Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out the flight status on the Korean Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on the flight status button down below, which is the fourth option. After that, select either the departure arrival, so you can search by departure arrival or weekly schedule. If you select the first option, you can either search by typing in the departure and destination point, or you can search by the flight number. If you select the first option, you should add your city and airport. So first your departure point and then your destination, and click on the date button to select date, and then click on the search button to find out the flight status. So you will be able to find out the relevant information, and you can also search by the flight number if you tap on the second option at the top. All you have to do is typing in the flight number that you are going to find here. So type it in, then select the date, click on the button confirm, then tap on search, and you will be able to check out the status of the relevant flight. You can also set the weekly schedule to search for the scheduled flights. If you tap on it, and you have the two options, so you can search for a round trip by selecting the departure point first of all, and after that your destination. Click on search. And here you can find the weekly schedule. So they are marked with these plain icons, and at the top you can see the dates. So if you tap on the relevant one that you are interested in, you can click on the view details button to check out the weekly schedule in details, including the flight transfer, duration, and the airport. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.